Heli. Breeze to Heli. 5 November Bravo Oscar Alpha. Taxiing out of DAT. You know where did they go? How these ones are you workers? Offshore, onshore. Nice one. Taxiing to take off. And here am I with the big engine. This engine kicks out. But it's right. I never reach some of him brothers there. Where those people where they ask me where the aeroplane get gear? Like motor car. Very good. May I just stay tuned. Updates good day. Now the engine of the aeroplane be this so. Some persons they ask whether you get gear. Some they ask whether you get reverse gear. Hey, put some plenty. When I see the engine. See the way it looks like. This is the exhaust, the tailpipe of the exhaust. This one where they inside here. At the inner core. Where things they happen. Inside somewhere here. At the combustion chamber. Yeah. And see the mount. There's the mount for the wing. This one guide and hold and tight. Somebody if you don't ask me a question, say where the exhaust of the APU day. So for here now, now they say when I see this thing where they like door, where they write 2, 3, 4, 5. Where I do my mouth. Now the APU 9 days inside there. Alright? And the APU 9 days inside that piece. These other savory parts. Now where the take and the exhaust be that. Alright? See that heli? They don't lift. Movement. So say off he goes. Back to our APU. So now the exhaust with it. Make I show another thing about the APU. When I see on top here, you get not something where they light up. It's white thing. Now the APU air inlet door with that. So now the place where the outside air, ram air, from the enter inside the APU. That's what we call this. So it's the APU air inlet door. Now what do we do now? Let I show now from this side so that I understand which are the top where. Even some people where they for ground, where they work for airport. Now no, like I say no be everybody know everything. So say you they work for airport, no me say you know everything. When I say as the door open. So some persons where they work for airport for ground, they go see the thing, they go come call you, say, Captain, come on, you get something way open for the tail of the aeroplane. Now so the design of this embraer, air inlet door D. You get? So now so the matter they take you now from there, they collect the own breeze, they filter them, they start, they operate, they give us electrics and hydraulic and air conditioning. Are the only two things why I don't tell you for people where they follow lecture before. Say the auxiliary power unit APU. I want you to give me that. Alright? If you need inquiries for them, bring them under the comment section.